G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Today we are making the Gin Bramble. Let's get started. So first thing you need to do is grab yourself an old-fashioned glass. I'm going to load that up with some ice. Go. Grab your shaker. Put that aside. Grab your shaker. Put one sugar cube in the bottom. I'm going to have 25 mils of lemon juice. Don't worry about the seeds because we'll strain those out anyway. About 25 mils. Then we're going to pour 50 mils of gin. Just going to give it a quick stir with the sugar cube that's in there. Handful of ice. Grab your shaker and give it a shake away. Okay, grab your old-fashioned glass, strainer on top, strain over the ice. Okay, what I'm going to do is grab a few berries, 3 of those. It's going to grab we'll do half a wheel. Half a lemon wheel, that is. Get rid of those seeds. Get the side. A bit more ice on top. I'm going to go your Chambord. And we're going to do 15 mils. I'm going to pour that over the top. Last step of the process, grab a straw. And there you have the Gin Bramble. Enjoy.